Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So in this video we are going to solve the linear inequalities. So for that we will consider the first question, that is 2x plus 5 less than 15, and that is 3x minus 2 is greater than minus 6. Start the solution, and I hope this view is looking much better than the previous one. Okay, so the 2x plus 5 is less than 15. So the actual question here, that we have to find the values of these unknown x. So now the 2x remain here, the 5 will move, or I could say that it will be like 15 minus 5, and 2x is less than 10, and the x is less than 5. So here the all values of x are less than 5 and not including 5. Now in the same way, if we are solve this question, so that will be 3x minus 2 greater than minus 6. So it will be like 3x greater than minus 6, and it will be plus 2. So that is 3x greater than minus 4, and x is greater than minus 4 upon 3. So we have these two values of x for these questions, and in the next video we will show how to elaborate or how to represent these values on the number line. Okay, so right now we are just solving the inequalities questions. So we will consider the next question here. 3 minus a is less than equals to a minus 4 less than equals to 9 minus 2a. Okay, so if you note that here we have the first part is this one and the second part is this one. So we will break these inequalities here. It will be 3 minus a less than equals to a minus 4, and the second one will be a minus 4 is less than equals to 9 minus 2a. The two values of a will we get from this question. Now we will following the step that we always used in the solution of linear equations, that is, now for this way, uh, that 3, this minus 4 will be become plus 4 is less than equals to a, and this minus a will become here positive a, and in the same way this a minus 2a will become here plus 2a, and less than equals to 9, this minus 4 will become here plus 4. Now after that it is just so simple, adding them it will 7 less than equals to 2a, and we have to find the value of a, so it is 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2, that less than equals to a. Now here it will be 3a less than equals to 13 and a is less than equals to 13 upon 3, and if we will write the answer in the decimal number, so it is a is less than equals to 4.33 and it is 3.5 less than equals to a. So here these are the values of the unknown values, and in this video we see that how we can find the values of unknown using linear inequality. I hope you got everything, and if you have any questions, so just do the comment and we will see in the next video. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.